Get excited about the 2010 GMC Acadia. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include heated front seats, leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.